Welcome back. I don't know if you can hear that, but that is a good sound. Grandpa's truck's running, and it is time to get it cleaned up. It probably hasn't been cleaned in over 20 years. We're gonna do the interior today. As you can see, it is just filthy gross. Just horrible. But it's freezing cold here in Utah, so we're gonna head over to the garage and do it inside the garage where we can avoid what looks like to be some snow. What you got there?
Buckets. I guess. I don't know what to expect. So I just have a little bit of everything: cleaning supplies, buckets, towels. I'm gonna grab my steamer, shop vac. Yeah, all those kind of things.
Yeah. For those that haven't seen our other videos, this is a 1984 Ford F250 with the 6.9 liter diesel. It's one of the first diesels they put in. It's an international diesel, and we were able to acquire it from my grandpa after he passed. So now it's time for us to clean it up, and what our plan is for right now at least is let's get the interior all done and looking good, and then we can worry about the exterior, which has a little rust and things like that later. To clean it today, we brought over our shop vac. We brought 5 gallons of water because the water to the shop's turned off since it's December, and a bunch of cleaning supplies to try to get this carpet clean. And we came to the shop because it's about to start snowing outside. So I'm gonna shut the door here and we can get cleaning. Kara's gonna start by just getting all the junk out of it that's been in there. So what do we got, Kara?
Are you missing your bedazzled scarf?
That looks like my grandpa 100%. Has to be one of the great grandkids. That's my grandpa. That's a rag there. Some twine, yep.
2.
Oh, yep.
Just in case you needed more than
And a twist tie.
twist tie. That's the treasures in this side at least.
Okay. All right, let's check the other side. Let's see what's there.
Oh, no treasures in this side.
Okay.
Well, wait. Nope.
A napkin.
About it. Yeah, door panels are really bad. They have like sun rotted through. Just all the body oil and everything that's from opening it, and
Well, I'm sure he was covered in oil as well.
I'm sure fingerprints
farm.
and stuff. The faux wood's still holding up pretty good,
Yeah.
but yeah, it's definitely seen.
I wonder if it'll clean up though. I mean, you can't fix this, but we'll see if it'll clean up. But we can get new door panels, right?
From what we can tell, yes, we can get new door panels. They are available, I mean, of course, aftermarket style, but better than what they currently are.
Yeah.
First off, we are gonna give this truck a good vacuuming. Got the shop vac here. Try and get as much as we can, dirt, dust-wise. Give these cushions a good beating and
Are they that dirty?
de-dusting. Well,
I don't know
not
if it shows
a whole
up on
lot.
camera when you hit that, but there's a bunch of... Yeah, they're dirty.
really dusty. So we'll do a good vacuuming just to see what we can get brought up.
Found the seat belts. I doubt these have ever even been used, but we'll use them. So we'll tuck those back up through there. They really don't match with this gray and black seat cover he got. So we're probably gonna need to get a regular seat cover that matches. Sarah has her steamer going. Just seeing how it cleans up. Some of this dirt and oil is really on there. I think we need to start using a cleanser on it. Since the dirt's not coming off the door with the steamer, we're going to use this multi-purpose cleaner from Slick Wash. This is a degreaser, and we'll see how it does. All right, Kara, let's just... So Kara's just going to let it sit and kind of agitate it in a little bit. We aren't going to get too crazy because we're probably going to remove the door panels anyways, but thought we'd see how clean they come. While she does that, I'm going to go over the other side and do the same thing. This side over here is way worse. Just gonna let that sit on there for a bit, soak in, and see what happens. The plastic over on both door panels is all kind of rotted and starting to flake and just really dry and porous. So scrubbing it with the brush, it's coming clean, but I don't know if it's just scrubbing the plastic off, but it's looking better. You can see it breaking up that grease right through here. Yeah, seems to be working. It's looking better than it was, at least. What you doing, Kara?
Well, I'm just kind of going over everything now with a magic eraser. It's obviously doing its job. Just getting at any little bit that we couldn't get off. Door panels, we're going to do steering, a little bit in the dash, and just kind of keep sprucing it up a little bit at a time. I mean, at this point we will be changing out these door panels, but in the meantime we're getting them clean until we do that.
Yeah. Then I've went through and I just washed the dash with water. It's coming pretty clean, but still needs a little bit more. Then all the vents and stuff still are full of dirt. I don't know if that's coming through.
Oh, sorry.
I don't know if you can see that. Vents are still full of dirt. Gonna have to blow those out or get a smaller brush. But starting to clean up, starting to look not quite as much like a farm truck. Dash is cleaning up way better than I thought. We're probably gonna have to replace the top part of the dash as well, just because that sun rotted out. But overall, the rest of the dash is cleaning up really nice. I think that magic eraser will take the rest of it off. So we'll try it over here as well, see if we can get this black up. But at this point, I mean, everything's just flaking off the doors. Then we vacuumed it, but now we need to clean the carpets. We were thinking we'd just spot clean the carpets, but I think we're gonna pull out the seat and get a carpet cleaner and like really clean them out. I think that would be the better bet. And then get some floor mats.
Ew. Ew, ew, ew.
And I'd already washed that once.
And I don't know if it's just finish coming off.
Or if it's dirt coming up.
Or if it's legit dirt or what, but...
Yeah, not looking good. Oh, what do we got there?
Best of Chris Ledoux.
Yeah, there you go. Looks like it's getting eaten a little bit.
A little bit. Oh.
Step one of the interior cleaning is coming to an end. The doors are even worse than we thought. I mean, they're pretty bad to start with, but we're just gonna have to replace these door panels and get something that's going to look a lot better, that's not flaking apart. The faux wood though, cleaned up pretty nice. It had 2 white perimeter pinstripes, but they wiped right off. I guess it was just their time to go. But the dash is cleaning up pretty good, if you can see that. Looks pretty good. Cleaning up really nice. Same with the other door. We vacuumed it out really well, but I think we really just need to remove the seat and shampoo the carpets. So that's gonna be the next step. But we don't have a shampooer with us right now, so I think we're gonna call it for today. And we're gonna drive to the car wash and do the first exterior wash on it. We aren't gonna wax it, anything like that, but just try to get some of this grime off.
Here at the car wash, Jesse's just out sprucing up the exterior as best as can be. About to lose the sunlight for today. We've got a lot accomplished on this truck so far. Still gonna work on the interior a little bit with probably a shampoo job for sure. But other than that, it cleaned up fairly well. Doesn't smell like a farm anymore. No dusty, musty smell like it's been sitting forever. So that was good to get done. Thank you again for catching this episode and just following along with this project that we've got going. We do appreciate the viewership. Thank you again. And as always, enjoy your weekend.
You get an air freshener. New car scent, you think? Yeah, let's get new car scent.
Sure, new car scent.